everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. And here I am with the gloss video. So I've done so many lipstick videos in the past and I've shown you so many random glosses as well in random review videos or haul videos in general, but I never could basically discuss about all of these glosses in one single video, though I have not overbought any product. So I'm just going to be talking about 5 in total glosses which I do feel you can definitely give a shot. You can definitely go and grab a gloss for yourself because all of these glosses are different from each other. They have a different purpose altogether and I love every single I'm going to show you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before I start showing you the first gloss, I'm restricting myself to only 5 glosses here. I do have 1 or 2 more glosses, but I don't want to catch up on them because they're pretty new into my collection. I want to wear them a little more so that I feel more comfortable talking about them and I can share my real experience and should they be recommended altogether. So yes, there will be a part 2 in later future. Now getting on to the first gloss. Now gloss is a segment wherein people have preferences. A lot of people who like glosses, like clear glosses, but over the years we have seen that we have these tinted glosses also which has a lot of pigment going on. So you will find different variety of gloss and different brands in this video. First up, talking about Just Herb. So Just Herb has these pretty glosses. They have around 6 to 8 shades and you get full size and you get minis like this. So I've done a complete dedicated review also. Why do I like this and why am I recommending you? Because it's the lightest lip gloss you can buy. This is a clear gloss. I have 3 more shades by them. It gives that nice amount of shine. It's not overpowering. It doesn't take the attention from you to the gloss and it just oomph, or I would say amp up your matte lipstick. So whenever you're going for an evening function or a day function or any function in general and you don't want to look like complete matte and you want to have that little shine into your lips but not disturbing the formula of the lipstick, you can use this gloss as a lip topper. And by itself also it is pretty nourishing, it's hydrating, as well as it does not add any color, so it looks very nice. It does not look too much. It does not look like you did not wear anything. It is like a right formula, non-sticky, non-heavy. It does not spill here and there, it does not move here and there, and you do not even feel that you're wearing a gloss. So all in all, for the formula, the way it performs in different weather, as well as on the lipstick, without the lipstick, with makeup, no makeup, in all format, this lip gloss is one of my personal favorites and this is the most used one also. I think अगर मुझे वापस कोई शेड लेना होगा Just Herb में, it would be the translucent one because मैं generally transparent glosses नहीं खरीदती हूँ, but I'm so amazed that this is something which I've been consistently wearing. So it's a beautiful gloss. It has a right amount of shine. It's not too much, so it does not have those big chunks of glitter or iridescent glitter. It's like a clear gloss. So yes, a beautiful gloss by Just Herb, you must try. Quickly moving into this video, next up I have another beautiful lip gloss cum lip balm with peptide. Is the La Mer lip balm cum lip gloss. So this is like a complete lip gloss only, but it is nourishing, it is hydrating, and it has a very unique, beautiful packaging. I really like the format of this product. Now I have 3 shades in here also, and this is my personal favorite, Plum Cake. Now iski shine bhi bahut pyari hai और it's not over the top. This is the pigment which has a little more pigment. This is the deepest shade I have. The lightest one also look beautiful. Now you can wear it by itself. It looks beautiful and most of the time I wear this by itself. So किसी दिन होता है ना आपको कुछ नहीं पहनना but you want to nourish your lips and just want to wear a gloss and a balm, grab this one. This is very good product and now I understand why. So again, non-creasy, does not make you feel heavy onto the lips, does not change the formula of your super matte lipstick. But अगर आप creamy lipstick या ऐसी किसी lipstick के साथ इसको लगा लोगे तो maybe your formula will change and it may just end up looking like a tinted lip gloss or lip balm. So avoid putting this on a lipstick. I would highly recommend you put it by itself, and it looks wow. So again, a beautiful lip gloss come a lip balm which I absolutely love, and ये generally मैं lip nourishment के लिए ही use करती हूँ, and इससे मेरा dual purpose भी solve हो जाता है. So sometimes you don't want to wear a lipstick, you just want to wear a nice lip balm or a lip gloss. Buy this one, it's beautiful. 999 में आपको 3 shades मिल जाएंगे, and they are available only on their brand website. So beautiful product which I highly recommend. Quickly passing away the Delhi summers, let's move on to the number 3 gloss, and this is my personal favorite. Again, something I wear again the most. So as I mentioned, every single gloss I'm going to show you, they are different from each other, and I wear almost every single gloss I'm going to show you today in a different manner. So they are part of my makeup routine or no makeup routine as well. Now this one is a pretty bang on gloss. This will give you everything. Is the Kiro lip glosses. Now this is in the shade Pop My Berry, and you will get this gloss for 800 or 899. Get it in a good discount. Now I'll just give you a live swatch just to understand. This is how it is, and I'll tell you, इसमें थोड़े वो शिमरी पार्टिकल्स हैं, बट वो लिप्स पे ज़्यादा उभर के नहीं दिखते. एंड व्हेन यू पुट अ नाइस मैट लिपस्टिक और बीच में थोड़ा सा इसे लगा लो, इट जस्ट एड्स दैट नाइस ब्यूटिफुल ग्लो टू योर लिप्स, बट does not do like overdo your lips. It does not look vague, it does not look made up, and it does not look too much. So if you haven't tried the Kiro lip gloss, then you should. Again, the formula is really nice. You wear it by itself, your lips look plumper, juicier, and the perfect pouch you'll have with this gloss. Zyada mat lagana, or else it start to get a little messy. Any gloss for that matter, when you do a little more with the product, it gets messy, it starts transferring on your teeth. But अगर इसे rightly लगाओगे, it will not transfer on your teeth as well, and it stays longer. So I have worn this gloss straight away 8 hours on a lipstick, had my dinner, the shine was still there. So yeah, a lot of time you have seen me on my Insta stories where I click a picture, I'm going out for a party and my lips are shining. This is the product I mostly wear. So yes, this is going to give you that plumped lips, fuller lips, nice pigmented lips. You can wear it by itself or with a lipstick, and again, this lip gloss does not feel sticky, goopy. It definitely, when you see this giant tube, you feel, oh my god, कितना thick gloss होगा, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. When you apply it nicely, you don't feel that you applied a lot of lip gloss. So again, a product which I absolutely love by Kiro, and an Indian brand, which is definitely comparable to a high-end lip gloss I'm going to show you in this video. So yes, a beautiful one which I highly recommend to all of my Indian skin tones. Quickly moving into this video, next up I have a gloss which I personally love. So I have reviewed this gloss onto my channel, and I've mentioned that if you have the money and if you really want to try the formula, get it. Again, I'm going to say the same thing, but I do feel everyone should at least try this gloss once just for the formula. Is the Huda Beauty For Filler Lip Gloss. Amazing. There are no less words for this gloss, and I have swatched this gloss next to Kiro one. Now when you see it from far, can you tell which one is Kiro and which one is Huda? And now you know, but then you cannot tell the difference. The only difference which I do feel when I see the two bullets is Kiro has a little bit of shimmer particles going on, which you don't feel at all onto your lips, and this does not have any such sort. So formula looks very similar, feel very similar, it's just that they appear differently into the jars, but on the lips also they appear a little differently because of that shimmer and no shimmer here at all, but the feel is exactly same. Even the lips appearance are like perfectly spot on. I would say if you are into plumping lips or fuller lip application all the time and you need that nice gloss, then I would say choose Kiro over this one. But this is amazing. Again, this is going to give you plumper looking lips, fuller lips, nice amazing lips, and it definitely takes away the attention from you if you fill your full lips with this gloss. So this is what I have understood whenever I've applied this gloss. So I go a little light-handed whenever I'm using this gloss. So this is definitely going to add that nice high shine onto the lips. Again, formula does feel a little heavy compared to the first 3 glosses I showed you, and it does transfer onto teeth. So use very little product, you don't need too much while application, and it stays easily up to 5 to 6 hours. Once you start eating or anything, this gloss definitely reduces the shine. So इसको जल्दी से निकालो, थोड़ा touch up कर लो, and then you are done and sorted. So again, a beautiful gloss. I highly recommend. My personal favorite. I am getting another shade for myself. So if you haven't tried Huda Beauty lip glosses, and if you were eyeing, then why not try one for yourself. And now we are down to the last lip gloss, something out of the box. And you buy it if you really want something really glossy, shimmery, shiny going onto your lips. So this gloss I have bought specifically for evening wear. I do end up wearing this in the day as well. I am loving glosses for some reason past 8 months, and that is why also I picked up this, and this is out of the box. जो भी मैंने अभी तक दिखाया ना, ये सबसे अलग gloss है. Is the Revolution Shimmer Balm Lip Gloss with Vitamin E. आप देख रहे हो, it's like a proper shimmer gloss. And again, इसका shimmer बहुत fine है, बिल्कुल नहीं पता चलेगा आपको lips पे. Now you see the swatch of this gloss, you'll be amazed. Amazed. A little product goes a long way, so go very light-handed. You see the shine this gloss has. See this. It's like a proper iridescent gloss which has a pink, it has a blue, it has a purple, it has everything. So if you have seen those movies like Hum Saath Saath Hai and all those movies, because मैंने recently movie देखी थी दोबारा से just to revive the memory of mine, and I happened to see Karishma Kapoor wearing something like this on her lips as like more of a ombre lip. In between she was wearing something like this. So I think I just could relate, and I love how it sits on the lips. The best way to use this is on a lipstick, but I would highly recommend you not to put this one directly. बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाएगा. ऐसे आप lips हाथ पे लेके थोड़ा सा finger से लेके dab dab dab, done. You don't need this product too much. Like this tube is gonna last you for ages. So yes, they have more shades in it. I am eyeing another shade in this though, which has a little more pigment, because this is like a flat out silver thing. So you can use this mostly as a lip topper. You can use it by itself also. मैंने इसे by itself भी use किया है, on a lip liner or without a lip liner. थोड़ा सा finger पे लेके just do it, and you have that nice shine on your lips, which is not too much. अगर ज़्यादा लगाओगे तो too much ही दिखेगा. So yes, a beautiful lip gloss, a little different from whatever I showed you, and a different formula and a different concept altogether. But this is something I do feel everyone should have it, because you can wear this product in many different ways. You can even use it as like a nice highlighter, a little wet highlighting look you want for the night event. You can use it in that way as well. Again, a beautiful product by Makeup Revolution, which is not heavy, does not goop up, does not crumple, does not change the formula of your existing lipstick, does not feel heavy, and does not transfer on the teeth. This one does not transfer on the teeth. I have not seen any transfer. So yes, a beautiful lip gloss by Makeup Revolution. I will try more lip glosses by them, but this is something which is unique and different. And there you have the 5 beautiful lip glosses. If you haven't tried any, then decide which one is for you. But they all are different from each other. They are made in a different manner, and all the lip glosses, when you wear it onto your lips, they look pretty different from each other. So अगर आपने पांचों खरीद लिए तो भी आप disappoint नहीं feel करोगे. And if you are on a budget, then buy slowly and buy them in a good discount. But agar for starters, if you're looking for a lip gloss, then go ahead and buy the Just Hub lip gloss. It is available in minis, and you can get like 4 different shades under ₹500. So everything will be linked in my description. All the glosses will be mentioned in my description, so do check them out. If you really loved watching today's interesting video on lip glosses, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!